is that?
Yeah. Look, I've
Who
heard.
is this girl?
I've heard that's you, sweetheart. That is
Me?
you. Yes.
Who is me?
Exactly.
We
That's
are
a deep-
here to learn this, discover
So,
this, because I forgot
here-
who I am.
I know, but here's what I discovered. This device here is called a smartphone, okay? And if we use smartphones wisely, we can actually get messages like this out to thousands, potentially millions, maybe even billions of people, honey.
I know. So, but what is our message?
Our mission is to evolve humanity, change the world, increase positivity,
Then
raise
evolve,
the frequency.
Jake. First yourself. You need to evolve, because the whole world on your mind. Did you forget? Of course you forget. We forget who we are, and now